12 years old. You didn't shy away from joining others on the altar in praise and worship. We lived together during your young age and through adulthood. As I watched you grow to a God-fearing woman, even through school to college where you did journalism. I remember when you shared me with that you keep hearing songs within you. I encouraged you to seek God, and after we prayed together, I had a confirmation which I shared with you that you have a gift in you, and we continue to seek God. And in 2009, you started your journey as a gospel music minister. God confirmed your gifts and ministry by blessing your journey in Namaste and making you a voice to the world. When you got blessed, you insisted that I rest and you let take over because you were able to provide for me. You took me from the village to Runda estate, where I lived with you until I personally requested you to let me go home. You hesitated to let me go, but we finally, down the line, you suggested that you wanted me to travel to America, where I'm currently located. Your life may have been short, but you beautified my life